Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. Automation of Management of the Construction Company, Step-by-Step Instructions. Introduction. The construction industry is a complex and dynamic sector that requires careful planning, execution, and monitoring to ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. One way to improve the efficiency of construction management is through automation. Automation can help streamline processes, reduce human error, and improve data accuracy, leading to increased productivity and profitability. In this article, we'll discuss the steps you can take to automate the management of your construction company. Step 1. Assess your current processes and identify areas for improvement. The first step in automating your construction management processes is to take a step back and assess what you're currently doing. This includes reviewing your processes for project management, scheduling, budgeting, and resource allocation. Identify the areas that are taking up the most time, causing the most errors, or leading to the most frustration. These areas are likely candidates for automation. Step 2. Choose the right software for your needs. There are many software options available for automating construction management, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Look for software that can handle the specific processes you want to automate, such as project management, scheduling, budgeting, and resource allocation. Additionally, consider the level of customization you need, the user-friendliness of the software, and the cost. Step 3. Implement the software and train your employees. Once you've chosen the right software, it's time to implement it and train your employees. This may involve migrating data from your current systems to the new software, setting up new processes, and configuring the software to meet your specific needs. Make sure to provide thorough training for your employees so they know how to use the software effectively. Step 4. Continuously monitor and refine your processes. Automation is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process of improvement. Continuously monitor your processes to identify any areas where automation can be improved or further streamlined. Make changes as needed to ensure that your automation processes are always working as efficiently as possible. Step 5. Measure the results and make adjustments as needed. Finally, measure the results of your automation efforts to see how well they are working. Track key metrics such as productivity, accuracy, and cost savings to determine the impact of your automation efforts. If you find that certain processes are still not working as efficiently as you'd like, make adjustments to your automation processes as needed. Conclusion. Automating the management of your construction company can greatly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and increase profitability. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can take your first steps towards a more automated and efficient construction management process.